It's the Weather Xtreme video, the morning edition for Monday, August 24th. I'm James Spann. A refreshing air mass dropping in here tonight. Everybody looking forward to that. Let's check things out this morning. There's an upper low that's north of Minnesota with a nice surge of cooler, drier air moving down into the Midwest. You can see St. Louis early this morning at 58. And we should see some upper 50s around here through midweek during the early morning hours. That's going to be a nice preview of fall. But this morning we're in the 70s. And understand today we'll be up there between 87 and 90. And around the nation you can see that very refreshing, pleasant, cool air mass up north. Seeing some 40s and 50s around there. Just excellent weather for August. And understand we've got plenty of hot weather to go here in September. We all know that. But this will be a nice break when that air gets down in here. There's a watch warning map. Things are relatively quiet early this morning. Got some fog issues back in the northwest. This is the convective outlook. And we got green for the southern two-thirds of the state today. And that means there could be a few widely scattered showers or storms along the cold front coming in, but probably not too many. The air is fairly stable. In fact, the QPF chart here showing no rain for the northern half of the state for the next 5 days, and that's probably right on the money. This is valid through Saturday morning. Weather in the tropics. Danny is slowly decaying. It's a disorganized tropical storm near the Leeward Islands. And I'm not even sure this will bring that needed rain to Puerto Rico. This will be, because of its weak state, it's going to be in a more southerly route, passing maybe just south of Puerto Rico tomorrow and then dissipating on the southern coast of Hispaniola early Wednesday morning. And that's about it. Won't make it beyond that. You know, we talked last week about this thing having a hard time pushing past 70 west, and sure enough, that's going to be the case. Another wave behind it could become Tropical Storm Erica later this week. This is out there around 40 west. Here's a look at the tropical models on this one. You can see that bend northward about the time it gets to the Lesser Antilles and then the GFS ensemble. All the members want to recurve this. That makes sense with the current upper air pattern. So a very high probability if this develops, it won't bother the United States. Bottom line is we see no tropical systems threatening the U.S. anytime soon. All right, model fans, here we go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at 1 o'clock. There's that big vortex over the northern Great Lakes, and down below that, the front pushing through. Let's check the high-res HRRR today at 2 o'clock. You can see it looks like the radar might have a case of the measles in advance of the front, so from Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Gadsden south, we'll mention widely scattered showers midday, maybe early to mid-afternoon, but nothing especially organized and nothing heavy. And the high today will probably be in the upper 80s. You know, goodness, the last time we saw a high of 90 or higher was back on August 15th. We have gone a long, long time for this time of the year with temperatures below 90. That's living right there. Then tomorrow, what a great day. The sky will be sunny. The humidity will be lower. The high will drop into the mid-80s. It's going to feel very nice. Wednesday, we start the day in the upper 50s, more than likely. Again, the day will be sunny, the high mid-80s, low humidity, and really the same thing on Thursday. Just great autumn-like weather. Friday, moisture increases east of the state. This is suggesting there could be a few showers over Georgia and South Carolina. We'll leave it dry here. We'll be pushing 90. It'll be pretty warm. And then this is Saturday as the weekend begins. Same thing, maybe a few showers east of the state, but I think we'll leave it dry, mostly sunny with a high close to 90, and basically the same thing on Sunday. You might see a shower over the far eastern part of the state if this is right, but most of Alabama stays dry. A week from today, heights are coming up a little bit, but not excessively high for this time of the year, and that still looks dry. We note some type of low sitting around Jacksonville, Florida, but if that's right, Monday of next week would be mostly sunny with a high upper 80s to near 90. Here's the end of the forecast. This is the middle of next week, Wednesday, September 2nd. Hey, that looks kind of hot for the middle of the nation. A 594 heat ring just west of here, and if that's right, it would be mostly sunny with highs at least in the low 90s. Hey, look at the numbers coming off the ensembles. They look good at midweek, don't they? Good to see those 50s, but notice next week we go back in the low 90s as the month of September begins. Some people think that there's some magic switch. When you hit September, we turn cool. We know that never happens. In fact, the hottest temperature on record in the state occurred September 5th, 1925. It doesn't work that way. We can have some very hot days in September. And again, it looks like low 90s for at least the first few days of the month. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. If you can catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.